5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Alright mga kapatid, ito po yung laban ng
Deployed.
third match natin, second game nila. El Tirador, Brody on the top lane, gold laner with X-Burner naman dito, Claude. And the mid lane naman, we have gone Vale and against with Haji, Louie, and Chaos Conquer. Try to help naman dito Minotaur and Kakashi Estes po with Jade and Marquis as their core. And of course, Miracle X Roger, their core on the team Newbie X. And look at nag-advance A7, parang delikado dito against your 4 enemy heroes. First blood, a combo coming from Haji. Grabe ka paspas og tudlo oy. Quick. Ano ra ba? Quick. Eto, nagkapalitan na. Debbie naman yung nag-advance dito. German Cat. Oh, pinahabol dito Debbie. Delikado dito. YZ. Pero, minions first. Minions. Oy, papasok. Chaos Tanker. Hindi natatakot to sa Chaos Tanker, ha. He know where to get in and to get out. Eto, 3 against 2. Sino kaya ang kukuha ng ating buff? Ayun. Nakuha ni Roger, Miracle X pumasok dito. A perfect timing naman doon kay Debbie. Kung wala si Debbie, delikado si Chaos Tanker. Buti na lang, the rotation is perfect. A good help coming from Debbie, guys. Debbie. So may Debbie. Dabi, Bisaya, manggo. Eto, German Cat na naman coming from Dabi, guys, no? And the turtle, Jade is waiting for the turtle, no? This is the first turtle, and look at the rotation. Kitang-kita, Kakashi dito. Target by coming from Jade. The ultimate, papatay doon, Kakashi. And Dabi, the dragon, is coming back, going down inside the tower. God is trouble. Pero mamamatay siguro dito si Dabi. He got the kill, pero he will go down with the tower. What was an exchange? No, sir. And 1 kill advantage on the side of the team Bulwark. There's a TP. Sekretong malupitan. Look at Chaos Tanker. Gigil, hindi natatakot. And the retry, nakuha ni Jade yung first turtle, guys. Killing spree. Uy! Grabe si Haji. Louie God. Grabing recharge ni X-Burner sa yung power no. Nagsipi-tipi sa top para mudako ang damage. Tipi-tipi lang. Eto, nahuli ang ating Miracle X will go down. She's Jade and Chaos Tanker. They know their thing, guys, no? When to get in, when to get out. Eto na, Kakashi will try to help on the top lane. El Tirador, humanap ng paraan dito because you're the key. Ikaw ang susi sa yabihanan sa daan to make it game 3 on this match. The zoning coming from Chaos Tanker is to the next level, sir! Pero look at right now, Kakashi with Haji. German Cat talaga to si Dabi, guys, no? Dabi, TP to make sure the power is good. And more power. Meron bang ultimate coming from Chaos Tanker? Kakashi still alive. What a perfect timing sa ultimate coming from Kakashi. Eto, pinasok na nga inside the tower. Pero mamamatay sila with the power of ultimate coming El Tirador. Bumawi doon. It's a 1 versus 1 trade. And the gold tower mauubos. Check on the item. Ang ato ang irumbuang, guys. Wala pa ganong ayan. Item. Oy! Mamamatay doon! Si A7 nahuli. Gone in trouble ba? Delikado ganoon ka pero easy get out lang. Nice flicker. And the combo coming from Haji. Yes! Grabe kasakit naman si Haji. Haji already have a talisman. A perfect and one of the common item talaga ako nakikita pag gumamit ng Louie, guys, para easy spam lang skills. Second turtle pumunta pa rin sa team Bulwark. Eto na. Sisisit pansit mga kapatid. Dabi defending the bottom lane all alone with 4 enemy heroes. Natatakot talaga itong Team Newbie 60 guys. Eto, huling-huli. Dabi, you're all alone. He will goes down in the fight. Wala pang, meron sanang ultimate, no? I don't know what happened there. Hindi nag-ultimate yung ating malaking dragon, pero sa top lane, bumawi yung Team Bulwark. They got our El Tirador doon, and there's another kill naman sa bottom. Miracle X will goes down, and they got that kill for Jade. Eto na. Eto na ata guys, tinatawag na. We are ready. The combo coming from Haji. Grabe katunga. It's yung kinabuhi ni Kakashi, pero look at the heal coming from Estes naman. Di naman kaligtaan yung heal sa atong Estes, no? Naka-Wind Talker na. A7 might be in trouble. So, no damage for our Minotaur. You can check din, nakatalisman na si Louie. And Demon Hunter for our Claude X-Burner with leg plate. Naka-Clock of Destiny na po na nga to ang Mr. Gon. El Tirador, Hunter Strike. Going for BOD siguro ni or Malitic Roar. Depende sa iya ha. And we have a Blood Blast for our A7. A7 might be in trouble dito sa bottom lane. Naipit yung ka, sir. Naipit yung ka, pero nasa teammate. Now we will check if there's a good clash here on the bottom lane. Oy, Kakashi, wag na wag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo. Eto na. Lumabas. Chaos Tanker. We are zoning for the turtle nga pala dito mga kapatid. And Miracle X Mutika na tamaan doon sa skill coming from Jade. And the Dragon Debbie pushing back the enemy away from the turtle. And there you petrify mga kapatid. Nahuli po Debbie. Burst damage, mamamatay doon si Debbie. Miracle X got that kill. And A7 umaharurot dito sa likod. Chaos Tanker in trouble. Ultimate coming from A7. Mamamatay doon. A good execution on the team. Newbie guys. Eto na naman. Siya na po nagtipi-tipi. And that was the third turtle po. Take control by the Team Newbie. Eto, all alone. What a perfect TP coming from Haji. Pero hindi tumama yung mga skills. Hinahabol ito. What a combo from Haji. Sheesh. The damage on our Louie is incredible mga kapatid. Naka-lightning na po. Lightning Transition together with Talisman na. Pero delikado yan po si Roger, no? Gaining some good items right now. Wind Talker and Hunter Strike. Hindi nga po magpapahuli yung ating X-Burner Claude. Naka-golden stop na. And Demon Hunter. Bottom lane, nahuli dito. Gon, mamamatay pa. He will go down. He throws some steals. You'll get some damage for Haji. Haji will go down as well. And mamamatay man dito si El Tirador. The team, kami na ang tatapos sa laban nyo. Kakashi trying to help. Low na low, slow na slow. Debbie the Dragon is here. We'll try to help you out. Eto, dasmag call, laban call, sokol call, petrified, tumama. Delikado, Miracle X. Gamay na life. What I think of the Kuya Pats. There you go. It's a double kill coming from Jade. Lami ang clashing, oy. Nagpuli-puli lang sila. Nadakpan na po si Gon. Kasapaan yung kang kinuha karon. There you go. A7 against Dabi. Dabi hindi natatakot dito. A7 tried to find some creeps to life steal. Pero enough ba? Enough ba? No sir. Haji nasa Gedli lang. X-Gon. Oy, nagkita na. Natubangan na sila. Wakaigu. Dirita kay murag mamamatay na. A7 sila na ba? What a flicker. Just to kill. A7 is down. Debbie that got that kill. Kill. Delikado. Gone. What a flicker out. Yung ultimate hindi tumama, sir. Sheesh. First, Lord. Makukuha ba dito ng Team Bulwark? They got the Lord. Eto na. Look at Chaos Tanker. For enemy hero, tinamaan ang ultimate dito. I know the dragon is here. Tan. Humanap ng target pero look at the kill coming from Kakashi pero not enough. The damage is more than the kill. Easy get out lang. Double kill pa yung X-Burner. El Tirador got that kill X-Burner. Pero yun na nga ang sagot. Tatlo against isa. Nalagas sa team ng Team Bulwark. Advantage sa Team Bulwark is ultimate dito coming from A7. A7 gigil-gigil. Try to kill Haji. Pushing back. Showing this skills. Pero mamamatay doon. A7. OMG. Wipeout na ba? Still alive pa naman. Not enough damage yung Tirador. Nabuhay na po dito yung Kakashi together with X. Gone. Yung tower sa top yung inuna dito. No more tower at the bottom, mid, and top. Gabi. Ultimate coming from X. Gone. Makati na din ang ating Veil. Veil already have the lightning together with a Clack of Destiny. Sheesh. Grabe nga away, sir. Meron na bang body slam? Wala pa. First lord pa naman eh. Pero the tower is okay. It is not yet over, guys. Now, look at only 40 gold advantage naman para sa Bulwark, no? So, unti lang yan. Kayang-kaya to. Tamang set play and team chemistry lang. Team newbie. Grabe ginabuhan ni KU Stanker, guys, no? Asa ito ito? Agoy call, dagan call, lingi call, upat kabok kalaban call, delikado. A7 ultimate try to get out, pero andito lang si Haji waiting for that, pero perfect naman yung Athena shield for A7, no? Sheesh, because of the Athena shield na buhay, medyo makunat-kunat na to si A7. Dominance Ice, Bloodlust, then Athena shield, what a play. And we have our Malefic Roar, Hunter Strike, and Demon Hunter for our Brody, El Tirador. And atong Roger naman, meron ng Windtalker together with the Hunter Strike and DOD. Hoy! What a damage! Coming from Gon, the ultimate combo ni Veil. Eto na. Dabi, try to catch up. Petrify, nahuli doon. A7 in trouble. Pop up yung Athena shield. No more ultimate sa'yo. Papapunta pa. Kumalag na siya. Pero he will goes down. That is a 4 enemy hero against 1. Eto na. Up na yung Lord. I think they will try to take control first. The Lord, medyo na-overextend yung ating Benedetta doon, guys, sa top lane. And nahuli ulit. Kuyaw kay zoning ato ang mga players coming from the Team Bulwark, no? And there you go, the red buff, the TP from Haji. They got the kill. Jade. Roger yung out dito. Makukuha pa yung buff and a perfect X-Born ultimate. Pero uy, nice dodge. Uy, akala ko mamamatay na sila. Kuyaw kay zoning ato ang mga players coming from the Team Bulwark, no? And there you go, the red buff, the TP from Haji. They got the kill. Jade. Roger yung out dito. Makukuha pa yung buff and a perfect X-Born ultimate. Pero uy, nice dodge. Uy, akala ko mamamatay na sila. Eto na. A7 naman, not too much extend. Papatakbo pa palayo, luring the enemy away from the Lord. Pero eto, X-Burner hindi natatakot, pero look at the damage. Tamang tempo for the win of nature para lang mabuhay because of the ultimate coming from El Tirador. And look at the TP nasa likod. And KU stuck a perfect set. Grabbing a play on the Team Bulwark. Ang ipatipi sa likod, walang iba kundi ang ilang tank lang. Sheesh! Grabe! Alright guys, lunch break na kayo kasi mamaya last round sa ato ang first round, no? Ang magdula o niya. Tinago Loud Esport against the Team Katniel. Grabe, sir. Kung nakita lang ninyo, ingato.
Subscribe.